It's Friday 21st of June 2013. All the youngsters are loaded on to the new Jarrody trailer for the first time. It's 48 crates on this new trailer, whereas the old one had 30 on. This will hold roughly around 1450, I would say, maximum. Pigeons have been on there about half an hour so far. As you can see, they're settling down, lying down, some of them. Some have been on for a bit longer because obviously the time it takes to load, which has taken us 4 hours this morning. I spaced them out because we've got about 1200, so I spaced them all out over the 48 crates. I put water on them all. They all seem happy. When I put the water on, I've seen at least 100 drink, so that's a good start. Really impressed with the trailer, tows really well. Towed it down from Hull Docks on Wednesday. I don't know if you can see up inside, or it's too dark. But the drinkers are deep, a lot deeper than the old ones. If you can see up there, we've got a fan, electric fans that we can turn on if the weather's really hot. I'll leave these on for another hour or so with the water on. And then take them for one of the short spins. The thing is, with one loft pigeons, the more you have in a loft, you find the less range in there go. Whereas my own youngsters this year, you lose 50 out and they go off for an hour or so, whereas one loft pigeons, you get other pigeons holding them back, and this is why really you've got to take them steady. If you take say 10 miles first toss without them ranging, you'll lose half of them. And this is what people don't understand. One loft pigeons is a completely different ball game to your own. 400 different lofts, 400 different sets of bugs, none of them bred here. So yeah, you got to play it safe, plenty of short tosses, building them up to their first hotspot. And I think this year, if they're not ready, then we should delay our first race, stick to the programme but delay it. That would be the most sensible option, rather than rushing them along when they're not ready. And I'm sure sensible fanciers would agree on that point. Yeah, I mean, everything, it's obviously all new. Ventilation system at the front as well. The pigeons, because they were on it not on this one, but on the old one, for 24 hours with water, and also I fed them on there. When they actually gone on there the second time, they're a lot calmer, a lot more relaxed, and they know they can't get hurt on the transporter. They feel a bit safer. They're still not used to loading at the moment. I mean, we should be able to cut that down to about 3 hours after they're used to loading and what have you. But anyway, I hope to put an update inventory on the website tonight. We're dealing with computers and what have you, and electronic timing systems, but after 9 years I can normally sort it all. Anyway, I'll try and do another update as we go along with a video camera, and maybe get a video of the releases and what have you later on. Speak later.